Rivers whisper truth as they flow down, and their songs entwine.